Hey and welcome to Alpha One. I have now started a new series because I've been trading Forex for more than 20 years. And I know that it's very difficult to trade because you need basically to trade with trend lines, read the chart. It's very difficult. So I was thinking, how can we do this easier? So what I've been thinking, I will start now to trade with indicators. I'll find the most easy indicator there is, so you can just trade, but it also need to be profitable. So I will now start to take trades. I will try different type of indicators through different days, and I'll take every single trade. And when I find the perfect indicator, we are going to be trading with that indicator. So now we are today going to be trading with TDI plus RSI divergent, and already I can see a trade I like quite a lot here on British pound against Japanese yen. So let's move over to MetaTrader 5 and let's take a trade here. Now let's just see where to push to get the trade. I guess it's this there. Okay, let's take 0.4 and we take a sell trade there. Perfect, we are in. This trade I'm going to keep open overnight. If it move against us, I'm not worried about that. We are going to just be holding it, and if I see that we might need to go in one more time, I'll do so, but we're going to trade super safe. Let's go back to trading view. Let's mark the area we did take a trade here now. Let's see. Let's take a horizontal line there, like that, there. Let's change that for a red color, and there we have it. So now we know we have taken a trade there. So like I said, this trade we are going to hold open now till probably tomorrow morning when I wake up, and I will make a new video then how this trade did go. So like I said, we are now using TDI plus RSI divergent. I have been back testing this a little bit and looks to be pretty darn good, especially when we have divergent. This one don't have, but we are out of the water for say, as you can see up here. So maybe I can move myself out so you can see better. So as you can see down there now, we are very high, we are out of the water. This blue line is more like the water, you can see it's more like a shark that go out of the water. And typically when you do that, we get not right away of course, but after a few hours he will go down and we can sell with a big profit. So like I said, this is more like a test to try to see if I can find a good strategy that is easy for use for anyone. Okay, because normally, like I said, I will use trend lines and things like this, and I'm very profitable trading like that, but it's not easy to learn. You need to read books for the ones that like to do that. You need to be looking 1,000 videos, and even when you do that, you understand what they're doing, but you don't do it yourself. So I want something that is easy, and also when I start to see we can make profit, I will start to implement rules so you know when to take profit, when you should close the trade in loss and all this. But first we are going to be testing, figure out which one that can give the best trades, and when we have figured out that, then we can start to add on it and make some extra rules. But everything I want to be very straightforward and easygoing, so you can easily take any trades following what I'm teaching you here now. So now it's just testing. As you can see, I'm on a free version of TradingView. No need to pay for it. you can add up to 3 indicators on a free one, so very good. Okay, then I see you tomorrow. This will be the first video. The trade is live, and we will see tomorrow how we did. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and of course make some comment and turn the bell notification on. And also, if you want to trade like me, you find link below the video with the broker that I'm using, that IC Market, have the best spreads. Just make sure that you don't trade 1 hour before the market close, and don't trade 1 hour after. Okay, so in midnight don't trade, and that's the only time you actually don't need to trade. So now, for example, the market opened 1 hour ago. I only start trading 1 hour after, because the spreads are too big. Okay, but after that the spreads are perfect. So use IC Market, is the best broker. I used them for many years. So with that, have an amazing day.